Hello and welcome to Season 5, Episode 4, Grow with Technology podcast. I'm your AI host, Richard Butler Jr. In this episode, we'll be discussing how to start an online business with technology, including artificial intelligence in the United States of America. Starting an online business can be a great way to earn money and reach a wider audience. Here are some steps you can take to get started. 1. Choose a niche. The first step to starting an online business is to choose a niche. This will help you focus your efforts and create a business that is unique and valuable to your customers. 2. Develop a business plan. Once you have chosen your niche, it's important to develop a business plan. This will help you define your goals, target market, and marketing strategy. 3. Build a website. Your website is the foundation of your online business. It's important to create a website that is user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. 4. Use artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can help you automate tasks, analyze data, and improve customer service. Consider using AI tools like chatbots, predictive analytics, and natural language processing to enhance your business. 5. Market your business. Once your website is up and running, it's important to market your business. Use social media, email marketing, and other digital marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Starting an online business can be challenging, but with the right tools and strategies, you can create a successful business that meets the needs of your customers. Remember to stay up to date with the latest trends and innovations in technology to stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time on Grow with Technology. Remember to visit our website at www.growwithtechnology.com and follow us on social media by searching for Richard Butler Jr. for more information on the topics we discussed today. In this next segment, I will take you on a journey of how I started a profitable online business consultancy in the United States of America. Check this out.
In this bonus section, I'm Jane, your guest host on the Grow with Technology podcast. Starting a business is no easy task. Keeping one going is even harder. Many business owners make mistakes that they cannot seem to overcome and end up closing their doors. It doesn't matter if it is a brick-and-mortar business or one online, mistakes can be costly for any business. One way to reduce mistakes is to learn from others who have gone through it before you. Many first-time business owners try to go it alone, thinking they have what it takes to make their business successful. It's the curse of the naive. For most businesses, they don't have enough cash flow to withstand too many mistakes that newcomers make. You need to learn from your predecessors. Many successful business owners have autobiographies that describe what they went through to become successful. Why not capture the inspiration before you make the same mistakes? It doesn't matter if those business leaders are in your field. There is always something you can learn from them. If you want to learn the ropes before taking the plunge, consider taking on a coach familiar with your field or niche. They can guide you in dealing with issues specific to your market. They can keep you from spending money needlessly and help guide you as to how to get your business known and increase your sales. If you think the cost of a coach is too much money, consider what costs you will pay if you don't use one. You will end up doing the wrong things that will cost a lot of money to fix. You may even get yourself into legal hot water since you won't know how to keep your business compliant with the constantly changing laws. Think of the cost of your coach as your tuition for learning about your business. If you are not willing to hire a coach, then at the very least, learn from the mistakes you have made. Keep a journal of events that have happened and actions you took that led up to those events. Put in the journal notes about what you were thinking during the time of those events, and most important, make sure you review the journal on a frequent basis. Even if you can reduce the mistakes you make in your business, you'll never be able to eliminate them entirely. Just keep going and try to do your best to keep them from crushing your business. We now take you to the final segment with a personal business story from the show host.
In this segment, I will share with you an inspirational story of how I started my own consulting business and how you can do the same. I had been working in the corporate world for several years, but I was never truly satisfied. I knew I had more to offer, but I wasn't sure how to make the leap to entrepreneurship. I spent countless hours researching new technologies that could help me grow my business. I tried everything from social media marketing to email campaigns, but nothing seemed to work. One day, I stumbled upon a new technology that would change my life forever. It was called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. It's secure, transparent, and virtually impossible to hack. I realized that blockchain could be the key to growing my business. I started researching how I could use blockchain to improve my operations and increase my revenue. I decided to implement blockchain into my business. I used it to create a secure and transparent supply chain, which allowed me to track my products from the manufacturer to the customer. I also used blockchain to create a loyalty program for my customers. I rewarded them with digital tokens that they could use to purchase products from my store. This incentivized customers to keep coming back and helped me build a loyal customer base. My implementation of blockchain was a huge success. My supply chain became more efficient, and my customers were more loyal than ever before. I was able to increase my revenue and grow my business in ways I never thought possible. I realized that I had a unique skill set that could help other businesses achieve similar success. I decided to start my own consulting business to help other entrepreneurs leverage technology to grow their businesses. I started my consulting business by outlining my plan and registering my business with the state. I determined my services and pricing and built a website to market my consulting business. I used artificial intelligence tools like chatbots, predictive analytics, and natural language processing to enhance my business. These tools helped me automate tasks, analyze data, and improve customer service. I marketed my business using social media, email marketing, and other digital marketing strategies to reach my target audience. I focused on providing value to my clients and building long-term relationships. In conclusion, starting a profitable online business consulting service using technology in the United States of America is possible. By staying up to date with the latest trends and innovations in technology, you can create a successful business that meets the needs of your clients. If you want to learn more about how to start your own consulting business, be sure to visit our website at www.growwithtechnology.com. You can also follow us on social media by searching for Richard Butler Jr. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time on Grow with Technology.